Dear students, you must have understood the concept of entrepreneurship by now. You have also studied about who an entrepreneur is, his role in countries and society's growth, and his qualities. Today we will study about advantages and disadvantages of an entrepreneur. The first advantage of an entrepreneur is excitement. Entrepreneurship can be exciting, and many entrepreneurs consider their work highly enjoyable because it allows you to start and do something you like using your hobbies and skills. Each day is filled with new opportunities to challenge your abilities, skills, and determination. Next advantage is control. As an entrepreneur, you work for yourself and not for someone else. So you can choose the work you like to do, use your own strengths and skills, and follow your own style of working and doing things. This results in more work satisfaction. So, work satisfaction is more. Next is freedom. When we are talking about entrepreneurship, there is freedom to work whenever you want, wherever you want, and how you want. This trait draws many people to entrepreneurship. So, as an entrepreneur, you don't consider your work actual work because you are doing something that you love to do. Next advantage is rational salary. As an entrepreneur, your income is directly related to your efforts and success of your business. You can decide how much money you want to earn and how you want to earn it. Next is flexibility. Means you can schedule your work hours according to your commitments. It includes spending quality time with your families. Now we come to disadvantages of entrepreneurship. The first disadvantage is work schedule. A major disadvantage of being an entrepreneur is that it requires more work and longer hours than being an employee. So, the work schedule of an entrepreneur can be unpredictable. Next disadvantage is no regular salary. Being an entrepreneur often means giving up the security of a regular pay. If business slows down, your personal income can be at risk. Next disadvantage is competition. In order to build a solid customer base and be profitable, you need to differentiate your business from others. This type of competition is sometimes critical as a small business owner. Next disadvantage is administration. While making all decisions can be a benefit, it can also be a burden. Being an entrepreneur comes with a lot of paperwork that can take up time and energy. Last but not the least is loneliness. When a person is completely responsible for the success or failure of his business, it can be very scary and lonely.